Okay, try me. Have you finished?
Yes.
Okay, try me. One thing you've missed out. What is it?
In New Zealand.
Correct. Okay, so you do need to have that in. Okay, try me.
Yes.
Okay, try me. That is excellent. Okay, very good. I don't need to make any corrections. Try me. Who else has finished? Anyone else finished? Bao Ling, have you finished?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, that that is very close, Bao Ling. You're just missing one thing. All right. Do you know what it is before I tell you? It's a good paragraph. It's a good paraphrase, Bao Ling, but you were just missing one little piece of information.
Let me see. The
You've got the proportion of 4 online retail sexes. Proportion of what?
I don't have any idea. Like the online too.
Yes, proportion of sales. Sales. Hang on, can I put it in? Yeah. Okay, can you see what I've done, Bao Ling?
Yes.
Okay, so it demonstrates you have to say the proportion of what? In this case, it's the proportion of sales. Okay, sales. Remember, sales was up here in the question prompt. So you do have to mention sales.
Yes.
Or as Tra Mi has done it, she's talked about revenue from 4 consumer goods. All right, but you do need to mention it's something to do with selling something. All right, the rest of that is fine, Bao Ling. Good work. Kang Ling.
Yes.
Okay. I'm just being a little bit picky, Kang Ling. Okay. All right. So to be a little bit picky, you don't need this. All right.
Okay.
You actually just don't need it. You just say the pie charts. The pie charts is fine. Don't need to say given pie charts. It's not necessary. It's just the pie charts describe the number of online sales for travel, film, books, and clothes in New Zealand between 2010 and 2013. Okay. That's good, Kang Ling. Your English is perfect. All right, the English is perfect. To the only thing I might look at changing, if I was again getting very picky, I would maybe change this a little bit in my paraphrase. How would I change it? What have you changed? The number, you've got number, the amount of. I would maybe put in something like the differences in the number of online sales, because remember the charts are showing what has changed in each different year. So maybe to improve it. So okay, see what I've done, Kang Ling?
Okay.
Okay, so I've just made it I've made my paraphrase just a wee bit more detailed, okay, about why there are 2 graphs.
Okay.
Okay, the differences. Okay, but your English was perfect, Kang Ling. Okay, no, nothing wrong with your English. Your English was all correct. Very good. So I've just improved it a bit by just describing why there are two charts. That's all. Does that make sense?
Yes, I got it.
Okay, good, Kane Ling. Okay, Fung Ni. Hello,
Yes.
Fung Ni. Okay, what have we got, Fung Ni? The pie charts illustrate, good. The percentage of four. Okay. So what I'm going to do, Fung Ni, is take this out of here, okay? And put it here. All right. What's the next word I'm going to write, Fung Ni? What's a word I can write?
I think it's for retail sectors.
Retail sectors, is that what it is? True, but that's what it says here. But I need a synonym, Fung Ni.
Sorry, I have no idea.
Okay. What's a word that begins with P that describes all of these? A word that begins with P.
Sorry, I can't remember.
Okay, let me help you remember, Fung Ni. Okay, any idea?
No.
Now do you have any idea?
Product?
Yes. Okay, they are products. Okay, so films, movies, clothes, okay, they're all products. Travel is all products. Okay, Fung Ni?
Yeah.
Okay, useful word to remember. Please try to remember it. So the pie charts illustrate the percentage of online sales for oops, should be this way around, 4 different products. Okay. All right, so that is fine now, Fung Ni. So you need to mention it's about online sales for 4 different products. Does that make sense, Fung Ni?
Yes.
Okay, good. Fung Ling. Hello, Fung Ling. Oh, she's disappeared. Okay. Viet Ang. Viet Ang.
Yeah, teacher.
Okay, let's look at what you have. The pie charts illustrate, so illustrate doesn't need an S. Illustrate the proportion of, and we're talking about the proportion, remember, of sales. In fact, online sales. In. Okay, for retail sectors in New Zealand. Okay. In one decade, doesn't quite, I know what you were saying, it's a decade between 2003 and 2013, but saying in one decade doesn't quite describe what is there. So just best to say in and I'll just make a change here. Okay, so that is now correct, Viet Ang, okay? The
Okay.
pie, okay, can you read it for me, please, Viet Ang?
The pie charts illustrate the trends in the proportion of online sales in for retail retail sectors in New Zealand over 1 decade.
Good. Okay, so you can see I needed to use this word over 1 decade. So it's changed over the decade. Okay, not in the decade. You need to use the preposition over. Does that make sense, Viet Ang?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay, Dat. Dat.
Yes.
Okay, the pie charts describe the percentage of for online sales. It's not quite for online sales, it's online sales. Okay, online sales in okay, see why I've changed it, that?
Yes.
Okay, so it wasn't for online sales, but for different retail sectors. Okay. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. And really, you need to, using retail sectors is okay, but you really need to think of a different synonym for this, for retail sectors. Okay, so you could say instead of sectors, retail areas or retail products, something like that. Okay, Dad?
Yes.
Okay, knock 2.
Yes.
Okay, knock 2. The pie chart demonstrates the proportion. Have you changed the, okay, good. So you've used demonstrates, that's good. The proportion of, again, it's not, you did the same as that. So we're not talking about 4 online sales. Okay, that would mean they've only sold 4 things, which of course is not quite correct. So we're looking at online sales in, yeah, online sales in,
Retail.
correct, that's right, not 2, okay? All right, now that is correct. And again, as I was saying to Dut, you need to think of a synonym for retail sectors, okay? For even like 4 different products, for example. Okay, Noctu?
Yes.
Okay, so you need to have some synonym for this. Really need to think of a synonym for this to do a good paraphrase. Okay, almost finished. Bao Tran.
Yes.
Okay. So Bao Trang, the first thing you need to do, remember to start every sentence, Bao Trang, with a capital letter. Okay?
Yes.
Has to be a capital letter. And you don't need below because, of course, when you are writing your essay, the pie chart won't be below. Okay, so you take that out. All right, so you need to think of a synonym for show, Bao Trang. And those are some of the words I was showing you before. The pie charts illustrate, reveal, demonstrate. You understand, Bao Trang? You need a synonym for show. The online sales for, I wouldn't call movies and clothes essential needs necessarily, okay? Better just to use a word like products, okay?
Okay.
Online sales for 4 different. Okay. The pie charts show the online sales for 4 different retail sectors in New Zealand. Okay. in 2003, 2013. So that is now correct, but we still need to, as I was saying to some of the others, Bao Trung, have a different word for retail sectors. All right, so a word like products. A word like products, something like that. Okay, Bao Trung?
Okay.
Okay, okay, and finally, not Kian. Hello, Kian.
Kiên ơi, Kiên, sao cái mic của con không? Okay, skip him please, teacher.
Okay, I will skip him. All right, thank you. And who didn't I talk to up here? Was it Fung Ling? Did I talk to you? Hello, Fung Ling.
I'm here.
Okay, Fung Ling. Did I talk to you, Fung Ling, about this?
I'm not sure, maybe not.
Maybe not.
I
Okay,
can't
Fung Ling,
hear
just looking at yours, you're the last one. The pie charts describe, okay? Okay, doesn't need an S, Fung Ling, okay? For 4 retail sectors in New Zealand. So again, as I was saying to the others, we need a synonym for this, Fung Ling.
Yes.
Okay, so again, something like products, for example. 4 different products in New Zealand between 2003. Okay, but the rest is correct, Fung Ling. Okay, all right. Thank you, everyone, for that. So sorry, we've gone a little bit
Can you
over.
hear me now?
I can. Okay. Okay.
My microphone so loud.
All right. Okay. So just quickly, not Kian. Sorry, everyone. We've gone a little bit over time. I'll wrap this up very shortly. This pie chart. Okay. So not Kian. Remember, you need to have a capital letter at the start of every sentence. All right. Must be a capital. All right. And you need to, because there are 2 pie charts. Okay. You must use plural. So it has to be these. These pie charts illustrate the online sales for 4 different, and instead of retail sectors, need to use a word like products. Okay, need to replace retail sectors, because remember, this is a paraphrase. So you need to think of some different words. All right, so that is now correct. All right, any questions, not Kian?
No, teacher.
Okay, good. All right, everyone. So that is almost the end of the lesson for today, almost. But now I'm just going to quickly show you your homework for next week. All right, which is this. So you might remember we did this a couple of weeks ago, but most people did not get 100%. All right, and I want you all to get 100% on this, because you need to be able to show me that you understand how to read a graph. If you don't understand how to read a graph, then of course you can't tell the story and you won't get the correct number of marks. All right, so please, I want you again all to answer the questions. So go into this document, look at the questions, and please email me the answers. All right, so this is my email address, which you all have. Okay, please email me the answers 1 through until 9. Okay, email me the answers by the end of next week or before next week's lesson. So remember, you can see this by going into the Google document, but I want you to email me the answer. All right. Kang Ling, does that make sense to you?
Yes.
Okay, email me. Bao Trung. Bao Trung.
Yes.
Okay, Bao Trung, you know what the homework is?
Yes.
Okay, email me the answer. Email me the answers to those 9 questions. Okay, Fung Ling.
Yes.
Okay, Fung Ling, you understand the homework?
Yes, and I
Okay,
have understand.
Okay, good. And Dot, do you understand the homework? Dot.
Yes.
Okay, Dot. All right, everyone. So I look forward to seeing your homework before next weekend. Okay. So once again, my apologies for keeping you a bit late and my apologies for the late start. Okay. I'll make sure I fix that by next week. As usual, any questions, please ask myself or Mrs. Ha. But in the meantime, please go and enjoy your lunch. All right. I hope you have a great afternoon and a good week. And I look forward to seeing you all next week. Bye, everyone. Bye.